Django!
Django keeps trying to get out of the fence. I don't know what he's doing.
Right, it's all out now.
Ah, hey, come away. Come away. Come on. Indy. Come on. Indy. Go away. Go away. Go on. Move. Move. Indy. Indy. Ah, got Django outside the fence now. She's kicking it off. Come on. Come on with me. Come on, big girl. Come on, mate. Eh? You have to let them play, you know. You have to let them play. Come on, Django. Indy, I'm watching you. You're only playing. Easy with the puppy. Easy, Luna. Luna, you're too heavy for him. Luna, come on. Luna. Shout Luna, she's getting a bit too heavy for him. See what you can see? A boat in the sky. See it?
Good. Kick it up.
Django's going to get the crow. Oh, missed. He's asking for help now. You have to stop it when he asks for help.
No.
She wants to put a full weight on him. Look!
Luna.
She's trying to stand over him. She's bit her own tongue. You've bit your own tongue, haven't you? Silly doggy. How are you going to play with Luna today?
You have one play, haven't you? Why did you think it'll be a